Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss all the answers of the assignment exam PG English Part 2 paper 5th November 2021 under Netaji Subhas Open University. So let's start. Question number 1. According to Coleridge, in biography literature, when a poet composes a poem, which faculty is she or he employing? Answer is secondary imagination. Question number 2. Which Marxist critic held that in literature the truly social elements is from George Lucas? Question number 3. In T.S. Eliot's understanding of tradition, what does the totality of existing works lead to? Answer is an ideal order. Question number 4. Who is the author of Man Made Language? Answer is Dale Spender. Next question. Which feminist critic found profound differences between women's and men's writing without really pointing at any innate female sexuality or female imagination? Answer is Ellen Solder. Question number 6. How is New Historicism related to Marxism? Answer is the central text is the same in both. Question number 7. Who called Matthew Arnold a propagandist for criticism than a critic? Answer is T.S. Eliot. Question number 8. On what ground does Coleridge primarily differ with Wordsworth in the context of their understanding of romantic poetry? Answer is language. Question number 9. What, according to Dryden's essay on dramatic poesy, is the purpose of a play? Answer is to delight and instruct. Question number 10. In John Dryden's essay on dramatic poesy, who favors the moderns over the ancients? Answer is Eunice. Next question. What, according to Clint Brook, is the foundation of all good poetry? Answer is paradox. Question number 12. Which critical practice has been described as a politicized form of historiography? Answer is cultural materialism. Question number 13. In the preface, whom does Wordsworth criticize for employing gaudiness and in phraseology? Answer is neoclassical poets. Question number 14. In which year was Biography Literaria published? Answer is 1817. Question number 15. In his preface to the Lyrical Blades, what vital role does Wordsworth assign to poetry? Answer is moral purpose. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a principal resource of language of the kind that new critics use in analyzing literary texts? Answer is hyperbole. Question number 17. How many times is the term catharsis used in poetics? It is used for only for one times. Answer is one. Question number 18. What, according to T.S. Eliot, is the central literary problem that he addresses in the Sacred Wood? Answer is integrity of poetry. Question number 19. What is the meaning of anagnoses as described by Aristotle? Answer is discovery. Question number 20. In which chapter of Poetics does Aristotle give his famous definition of tragedy? Answer is 6. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.